Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix YouTube error 400. So let's get right into it. If you are facing this error, what you have to do is you have to check if you have a stable internet connection, and after checking that you have a stable internet connection, now you have to open up your Play Store application and then search for YouTube. And after searching for YouTube, you will find your YouTube app. Just tap on YouTube and then you have to tap on update if you will find an update option. So by updating your YouTube, what you will do is you will access some new features and you will fix any problems from your YouTube. So after updating your YouTube, you just have to tap on open and you have to check if your YouTube is working. But if this doesn't work, what you have to do is come back to your home screen and then you have to open up your settings application. And after opening your settings application, you have to search for apps, and inside apps, you have to search for YouTube. And after searching for YouTube, now what you have to do is tap on storage and cache, and you have to clear your storage and you have to clear your cache. So by clearing your storage and cache, what you will do is you will clear any viruses or bugs from your YouTube app. And after clearing this, you just have to hold on to your power button and then restart your device. And after restarting your device, you might fix your problem. So these were the fixes if you are facing YouTube error 400. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.